Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. We have another Stitch Fix haul today. I'm so excited to see what's in this box. So let's dig in. Okay, so we've got our listing of everything that's in here, the titles, the sizes, the prices. There's also a QR code that you can scan and it will tell you outfit ideas. It will also keep track. Stitch Fix knows what I've purchased from them in the past, and they'll suggest, previous purchases to go along with items in here. And they also offer personal styling for men, women, and children. I will have a link down below. If you followed that link, you get, I believe, $20 or 20%. I don't remember exactly, but there's something in it for you and there's something in it for me. So I think that's kind of nice. Okay, on top here. Nice pair of neutral shorts. A faux zipper there. Nice pockets with some button trim on them. Stretchy. Love these kind of shorts. Those faux pockets. Yes, they are faux pockets in the back. But you can wear a belt, real belt loops. These are the tribal. They're size 12, flat knit button detail pull-on shorts. And they are $48. Nice color, stretchy material, nice and comfy, cool. They feel cool to the touch. I know this is some sort of polyester. Okay, 76% rayon, 21% nylon, and 3% spandex. I love these kind of shorts. It's just a no-brainer that I will use them constantly. Okay, we got a shirt, a Fortune and Ivy. It's a size large. Anna Ariat button-down blouse in black. It's very thin, airy. A little bit of give. $45. A nice structured collar. Structured, but yet soft still. %100% polyester. An easy, this could go immediately. Those two would look great. Okay. That's like a bunch of jeans in there. I'm seeing Indigo 6, size 12, 31-inch waist. It's the patch pocket on the front there, light wash. They have a nice finished hem on the bottom, nice thick one. These look a little, they might be long enough. Pockets in the back, lots of detail, stretchy. They look to be mid to low rise maybe, which I'm okay with silver hardware. Let's see. Indigo 6. $49. Not a bad price for a pair of jeans. They don't look overly huge in the leg. All right. A jean vest. This is very lightweight, soft jean material. Definitely feels like cotton. 81% cotton, 11% polyester, and 8% rayon. This is Poppy and Grace. Size large, $50. Silver hardware on this too. These are real front pockets. It doesn't appear like there's any side pockets, just the front ones here. There's some stretch to this. It's not super long. It's long enough, but not oversized. This is jumping out at me. The frayed hem here. It looks like it was tacked down, or maybe they did. I'm sure they made it that way. But yeah, there's like holes in there, like the seam was pulled out on purpose. Mandy Baby Flare High Rise, size 31, STS Blue is the name. All right, these are $79. Kind of like a copper toned button. And that brown stitching. These definitely look long enough. It's a nice wash. Got some fraying or some distressing on the pockets. It's got belt buckles or belt hoops, sorry. And the pockets are very shallow in the front. So they wouldn't hold much. This is the third month in a row they have sent me flare, which I like. I just need like maybe a different wash, which they sent those. All right, another pair of shorts, Market and Spruce. They're just rolled. So if you wanted a little length, you had the option. Stretchy pockets, belt loops. Semi-shallow pockets, but not as shallow as those other ones. Nice color. Size 12, 91% cotton, 7% polyester, and 2% spandex. $65. Ooh, looks like they got 2 bags. Ooh, we got some shoes. Blowfish Malibu. Those are cute. Look at those flowers on there. Nice textured. Quite a heel. I don't usually wear heels often because I'm already tall. And my husband is definitely taller than me, but he's not a super tall guy. These are some nice looking bottoms. I'll have to try them on with all these outfits. What else we got in here? Oh, those Blowfish Malibu Noel sandal. $54. Ooh, these are nice. Blowfish Malibu. Marshall Sun Wedge. It's like a cork bottom with like a, I don't know if it's leather or faux leather covering. That's a nice color, nice looking shoe. I would go with a lot of things. And yeah, these are 54 as well. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me know in the comments what you think of the items. Are you at all interested in these hauls? Did you like how I styled the items? Until next time, my friends. Bye.